Hi team, I wanted to record this additional video to kind of show you how specifically I use all these AI tools in my workflow. So I'm going to be using a specific example and I'm going to be recording my screen and show you the steps that I use to handle all these different tasks using tools like Cursor and Claude. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So I'm going to go through one of the exercise tasks to show you my AI workflow. So right here, you can see the hosted client-side app. And as you can see, it doesn't have any filtering capabilities. All you can do is just like scroll and see all the lists here. So what I'm going to do is use Cursor and Claude to add some filtering capabilities. So I'm going to go straight to Cursor, and right here you can see all the project layout, the folder structure. It has different folders like shared, server, client, and I also have a couple of files open here. And this is what basically Claude is going to be modifying. And right here we have claude.md file, and it contains all the necessary information that Claude uses to work on this project, including the tech stack, different commands, the architecture, data flow, and things like this. And so right now what I'm going to do is go straight to the terminal here and activate Claude. I'm just going to write Claude and it's going to activate it for me. And once Claude is up and running, then I'm just going to tell it to read claude.md, then read.agent/references/backend.md and .agent/references/frontend.md before we do anything. And so it's gonna read all the necessary files and it's gonna let me know once it has a proper understanding of the entire project. And so yeah, it looks like it's done. And so yeah, once that is over, then I'm just gonna tell it to specifically implement this filtering capabilities, and I'm just going to paste this command over here. And the main point here is that the filtering should not be done in the front end, but rather it should be done via the back end. So it's gonna have to add all these different functions in the shared folder files. And so I'm just gonna give it this command, and it's going to go through the different files, and it's going to prompt me whether I should make this edit to the file. Right here I can just go to the file which is unaltered, and I can see the unaltered what it looks like before it's altered. And once I hit yes, I can see here that it has already included the additional codes. And I'm just going to let it go to the second step, which is in the service functions. It's going to add a lot more filtering capabilities there, and it's going to every time it's going to prompt me to confirm whether I should be making these changes or not. And I'm just going to keep on hitting yes. And this is like very fast paced because I want to go through really fast, and I don't want to take too much time on this video. So yeah, in every step is going to prompt me whether to update it or not. And I'm just going to check whether make sure everything is proper and it should be implemented. I'm just going to keep on hitting yes. And once it has finished implementing, then it's going to keep prompting me for like the next steps, and I'm just going to keep on confirming once I made sure that what it's prompting me is the proper thing. And then I'm just gonna go through it a couple more times with it. Yes, proceed. And then once everything is completed, then I'm just gonna go to our terminal and enter the server folder, and I'm gonna run this test. And once this test has passed, then I can go straight to my browser and check what modifications has been made. And as you can see, it has all these filtering capabilities, including search. If I can just hit the dark, then it's going to filter out the containing elements. I can just filter it in different categories over here, as you can see. And so yeah, this is my general workflow to accomplish my tasks.